There are a few clear signs that show how Virgo men will react in certain scenarios. Understanding the traits of men born under this star sign will help you figure out why he acts the way he does and anticipate his reactions. Individuals born between August 23 and September 22 are known as Virgo men. September is also the most popular month for childbirth, which is surprising. They are trustworthy and hardworking, and they have the ability to heal others, especially those close to them. Some of the most noticeable qualities of Virgo males include: 1. Allow for silences and open spaces. Getting Virgo men to communicate their version of intimacy is a mental challenge, but once he gets there, he doesn't doubt the relationship. He views love as enabling the other to be free and distinct, and he will want you to respect his privacy and give him space. As long as you give him space to have his mystery and deal with everything in his thoughts, he will tell you everything you need to know. 2. Engage in genuine conversation. He'll notice all the spots where you're not, but he won't keep track of your performance. He'll love you if you understand his strange obsessions and don't make everything into a war for power and control. Foreplay is essential for the Virgo male, and much of it is intellectual. This is one of the qualities that can make a Virgo man fall in love with you. His thing is talking, and he values efficient, truthful, and actionable communication. 3. Be devoted to him. If your relationship with a Virgo man is fresh, you may find it difficult to demonstrate loyalty, but you can talk about your past experiences. Describe how you helped a friend when he or she needed it the most. You don't have to brag or anything, but you do have to be a little vulnerable and demonstrate you can commit to making a Virgo man fall for you. 4. Bring out his best qualities. Encourage your Virgo man to be the best possible version of himself. If you can pull this off, this man will be completely enamored with you. It's not always easy, especially if he is quite critical of himself. Remind him of all the reasons you fell in love with him, and all the beautiful characteristics he still possesses. 5. Don't be untidy. Don't leave trash or filthy dishes all over your house or apartment because a Virgo man is well organized, neat, and tidy. Take care of it because you never know when he'll pay you a visit. Remember, he's picky, so he doesn't want to see dirty clothing draped over your lamps or food spilled on the floor. Make your space appealing. 6. Get rid of the acting. Virgo men are wary of emotions, and they don't act on every emotion that enters their lives. In every situation, their analytical thinking takes over, and it might be difficult for them to comprehend emotions. He will withdraw and become less approachable if you force him to show his hand and become upset, or if you withhold your devotion to illustrate a point. Playing mental games is a huge turnoff for a Virgo man. He simply wants something genuine and genuine. If your words and actions contradict each other, he will distrust your sincerity. You've got nothing to lose if you're honest. With a Virgo man, you don't have to pretend to be someone you're not, he'll notice right away. Just be yourself and be genuine.
I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and share it with others, and subscribe for more dating tips videos like this. Do you have any dating tips I might have left out? Please post them in the comment section below.